At Faircloth Chimney Sweeps and Wildlife Removal, we specialize in addressing common bird-related issues that can compromise the safety and structural integrity of your property. One prevalent concern is nesting in chimneys, posing fire and ventilation risks. Our expert team ensures the safe removal of nests and implements preventive measures to mitigate these potential hazards effectively. Roof and eave nests, another common problem, can lead to structural damage and attract other pests. Our professionals take swift action to remove these nests and reinforce vulnerable areas, preventing further complications. Moreover, we tackle attic infestations, comprehensively removing and restoring affected spaces to counter the issues caused by birds gaining access to attics. This includes damage repair and insulation restoration, ensuring a complete resolution of the problem. For commercial clients, we extend our services to businesses and industrial facilities, providing avian removal and deterrent solutions. Trust Faircloth Chimney Sweeps and Wildlife Removal for efficient bird control services. Schedule a consultation with our team today to restore harmony to your living spaces, all while upholding ethical practices and prioritizing environmental protection.